Alright, so on welcome today, we started off with the FX volume 20 of we are currently on the 4-hour chart. So we go straight to marking the levels we are seeing currently. Good. Now you can see it actually got to our previous support. Now what do I expect? I expect this to actually break below this. I just see that the minor what's it called pullback. So long as I see below this level, I'm still expecting it to go bearish. Then my bearish move comes up right here. So let's go to the 15-minute chart. Let's see what's going on there. Okay. It's gonna show you signs of bullish move, but then I don't expect to pass this level. So let us wait for it. If actually pass above this level, then I can think of looking for bullish trade. But for now, I'm still very much bearish, expecting to break back into this level and start going bearish. So my setup on FX volume today is on the bearish side, where I'm expecting a bearish move on this trade later on today. So something like this, stop loss above this, then my take profit minimum of 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Alright, so that's that for FX volume 20. So let's go to the next one, which is flip X1. Okay, flip X1 to the 4-hour chart. Wow, very bearish. So let's see what's going on 15-minute chart, looking for bearish setups. Okay, so here's my setup on the bearish side. I don't expect the market to actually go above this. So that's actually put my my stop loss above this level. It's actually be pulled back to this level, but I can see totally indecisive, focusing on this level where it is currently. You can see that actually having a tough time breaking out of this into this level. So let's see if you actually break into it and go breaking out of it, then that means you're actually going. Otherwise, I'm still very much bearish on flip X1. Alright, that's the let's go to the next one where we focus on pain. Or let's go to break first. Let's go to break 600. Break 600. Okay, to the 4-hour chart. Alright. So here's the 4-hour chart on break. Still expecting continuation of this bullish move. So let's see if you can see any entry level on break 600. I think today's actually kind of looking nice. Entry right here. Stop loss below this. Take profit 1:2. So I admit that we have a level right here where it has been testing for like twice already. So then I'm still gonna go long, stop loss right here. But then I expect to actually break out of this. I expect breaking out of this level, the testing there for me to go long again. So let's see what really happens as the day goes by. So this is actually my entry on break 600. Alright, so let's go to the next one, which is pain 600 also. Okay, to the 4-hour chart. Let's see. Actually looking bullish, so I'm looking for bullish trades. You can see this, which happens to the previous high. Seems all the trades are kind of giving us a good setup. So let's see what really happens. Remember, some days we really don't have any setup, but then today seems to be a very good day. So let's say, and we're gonna go long. Stop loss below this, take profits. Minimum of 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Alright, so this is what I'll be targeting on pin 600 for today. I think it's actually Switch forward. So you go to the next one, the final one, and that is gain, and that's gain 600. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Zoom this down. Okay. So I don't think there's no any valid entry yet on gain 600. Here's my valid entry. I'll wait for a pullback head and think of going short again. Then let me see if this long bullish engulfing candlestick is going to hold on the 15 minutes chart. I might think of going long on gain 600. So let's see what really happens. Remember, you already have some trade already, so don't try to force this. If it doesn't go well, just let it go. All right, that said, that is the end of that. I think today's analysis pretty straightforward. I don't think there's any question. If there's any question, drop in the comment section. And if there's any other thing you want to let me know, please drop in the comment section. And don't forget, if this is the first time you come across my videos, we do this every single day, analyze the market and tell you what we expect on each single day. That said, I wish you a profitable day trade ahead. Please ensure you stay safe, you trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.